Can I take it up? Yes. So I like Saturdays because I must not. तो जरूरी है ऐसा करना, रूल है. Can not. क्योंकि ability नहीं है. Actually ना यहाँ पर एक और होना चाहिए have to. Assignment बेटा. See the question. Complete the sentences with a suitable nodal. Negative modals are also possible. So what do you want to say? I like Saturdays because I
don't have to.
1 minute, beta. She's saying something else. I can get up early. I like Saturdays because I can get up early. Not making sense. What are you saying? What are you saying? I don't have to. You must not, should not. I am not quite sure about his age. He
Might be.
I should exercise, should do exercise is not a must. Must is eat medicine, wear uniform and go to school, stop at the red signal. Rules.
Should.
Passengers
Must not smoke anywhere.
can't smoke anywhere in the train, right? Because their hands are tied.
Can be right, should not. Can be right, should not.
No, this is not an obligation. They should not. It's a rule. Passengers cannot. Must not. No, cannot be. It's not an ability. Can is an ability. All animals can swim in water. Can is an ability. हम लोग इसको loosely use करते हैं. Do not use can when you are stating other things than ability. Can smoke in the train. You cannot smoke underwater. Yeah, it's not an ability. Yeah, वहाँ पे fit बैठता है. Train के अंदर ऐसा नहीं है. Train के अंदर it's a rule. So must not. Then in England you must rule must be 18 to vote. Ought to is the obligation. You ought to respect your parents. It's not a rule. Dash, you pass me the book, please. Can you? Could you हम loosely use करते हैं? Could we want to use for possibility? Like what you're trying to say is it a possibility that the book can be passed to me? We don't need that. Will you know? Future prediction नहीं कर रहे हैं. No, will नहीं. With the mask, I just don't know who's talking. I get a very muffled voice. I dashed my dog to the vet yesterday. I ought to take my dog to the vet yesterday. Boss के लिए ought to तो आ ही नहीं सकता है.
Had to.
Had to. Liz dash use a computer. Cannot. Do not use abbreviations. Don't say can't, say cannot. Don't say don't, say do not. Cannot. You dash smoke in the laundry. Must not. Clear हो गया ना? Rule है तो must आएगा. Very good. While playing squash, I suffered a slip disc. I thought I would never be able to play squash again. Rather, I thought I would never walk or stand on my feet. But when one day I was watching an interview of Sudha Chandran, which made me think if she could dance again with artificial legs. Now the point is that you don't know anything about Sudha Chandran. So 8 मिनट में नहीं पता तो सुधा चंद्रन क्या बताओगी? Sudha Chandran was a girl who lost her legs and then with the prostrate legs chalna bhi rukta hai. She had so much of passion for dancing that she would dance. No doubt initially, yeah, she had come. So she used to dance and no doubt it used to hurt her so much, it used to bleed. But then gradually her leg adapted to the prostrate. She became so famous because of this that she had help coming in for her surgeries and all that, and a good prostrate leg was given to her. She's a film actress today, television actress rather, silver screen. Sudha Chandran. So is Sudha Chandran good? Again with artificial legs, I can also play squash again. I shall not. Shall not give up hope. I thought that I must start. No. Give up hope is not a rule. I should start trying and slowly I will achieve success or would achieve success. Each day I would. Past tense में चल रहा है. Every day I would walk a few steps and promise myself to walk a few steps the next day. I am having severe toothache. How or how can I help you? Dash, you come with me. Can you come with me to the dentist? Why not? I will with I and God we use shall, so I shall is also okay. Thanks. Could you drive the car? It's a request. Oh sure, but I think I must inform my mother first or ought to inform my mother first is also right. It's taking a lot. I promise myself that I
Will not.
Shall. I shall not eat chocolates and toffees now. Yes, you should. Is it an advice? Yes. Must not. You must stop eating all this and these things cause harm to your teeth. I think in the meantime I shall apply some clove oil. Getting the general idea about modals? In some of the brackets, you can have 2-3 answers that can be acceptable. But that shouldn't make you think that you can write anything you want to. कि modals में तो कुछ भी लिख दो चलता है. ये जो मैंने बताया, जो कि आपके वॉल्यूम में दिया हुआ है. Now can you see? Now can
Yes,
you see?
ma'am.
What I'm saying is can is ability, could is possibility, should is an advice, would is the past tense of will. तो अगर आपका पूरा जो passage है वो will में past tense में चल रहा है, then would will come. May is a possibility, it can also be a permission. Might is a possibility, must is a compulsion, it's a rule. And ought to is an advice. You ought to respect your parents. Used to is a discontinued habit and shall and will is future tense. But shall will come with I and God. Will come otherwise. इस चीज को पकड़ के चलना है while doing the modals. You have to recognize whether the blank is a possibility, whether it's a permission. Understanding? Should I come what? आगे बोलो. Shall I? Should is advice. Permission is may. Finish question 5, then we will discuss the answers. Yeah. Question 4 and 5, finish it, then we'll discuss the answers, children. Jasleen and Samarth, please do it honestly. Done, children? This one. Let's discuss the answers for 4 and 5. I hate to say this, Ragini, but you are in terrible shape. I know what should I do. I know what should I do. Well, since you are putting on weight, you must plan a healthy diet. Very good. You are right. I should not eat so many chocolates and junk food. That's right. And you should also start exercise. Could also start exercise. Both are acceptable. Ragini?
Should I start with
Should I start with walking for an hour every day? Shall I start? Also acceptable. Yes, but what is most important is that you must try to have a healthy lifestyle. Ought to is also acceptable here. Yes. Ought to try to have a healthy lifestyle. Shall, should, even could is acceptable. Any doubts in question 4? No. No. Come here. On the annual day celebration, the principal delivered a lecture. Good evening, children. All will be the future policymakers, not must, beta. It's not a rule. Hence, you
ought to?
obey is always ought to. Ought to obey your teachers. You
Should always.
should always try to win over the confidence of your superiors. You must not correct. You must not leave any stone unturned, and you need not worry. Need also is Mabel to green pen say have to be need. And what is the answer? Sure. Yeah. I'm not sure to work for you. Very good. You can become a teacher. Now, beta, what are you asking? First, he cannot be sure. Should not worry. You should not worry about the results. Okay. Need is better. Take a pledge that you will obey and respect your elders. You can take whatever stream you like, but except in the you will take predict future predicting karo. You cannot Ramdev Baba doing predictions. May. So that is the end of which topic is this? Modals. You are doing the practice exercise for homework. Have I started any chapter I've done? Letter to God with you? No. Shall we start? Yes. Do you have the textbook? चलो निकालो. क्यों इंग्लिश के लेक्चर के लिए बिना टेक्स्ट बुक के आए हो? Start getting the textbooks next time now, okay? How many textbooks do we have? No. How many children have brought the textbooks? 2 children have brought, and 6 have not brought. 1 minute is left. Okay, take it. Chalo, bye. What all is for homework, Samarth and Jasleen, you have understood? क्या क्या होमवर्क है बताओगे एक बार?
टेंसेस और मॉडल्स का प्रैक्टिस एक्सरसाइज
And?
और
What all is the homework? Tell me.
Analytical paragraph, practice exercise,
And
passage 2 and passage 3. And passage 3.
three कौन सा? Three कौन सा passage? I'm not told. Yeah, okay, that I understood. But ये passage का कौन सा conclusion है? हम जब passage का हुए passage page number 23, passage number 2.
Not this one.
Which is this one?
Not the third.
No. That is the assignment वाला page 3 you're saying?
Yes.
No.
Page 6.
No, not that one. Page number 23, passage number 2. So one comprehension passage, one analytical paragraph, tenses practice, modals practice, plus royal family का research. Okay, Tata, bye.
कुछ रह गया ये देखिए
अरे किसका तो पेन है?
मेरा
जाओ उसको लग रहा है लेक्चर लग रहा है घंटी बजा रहा है.
मेरा